May I please, my lord?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9.
Hmm.
And for the state respondent 1 to 4, your lordship.
Hmm.
If 3 weeks time, you can kindly be granted, your lordship, to file my counter affidavit. Item 9, my lord.
Hmm. On the prayer of Mr.
And Angami, my lord.
Enangami, learned State Council. Further, 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in opposition.
I'm thinking of
You just record your name also. Mr.
I don't know.
Who else are
I am for respondent
for
5.
petitioner and Mr.
I am Jen for respondent 5 to 27.
Respond number 5 to 27 are present. Yes.
Obliged.
Yeah, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 10.
Hmm.
Here, I'm yet to receive an instruction from the department.
Hmm.
So 3 weeks time will be granted.
Instruction.
Instruction.
Lordship, this is challenging the seniority list.
Hmm.
The person who were appointed before their appointment,
Hmm.
regularization was given before they were appointed.
You are also supposed to file some additional affidavit. You have filed it.
I'm awaiting their lordship counter affidavit, affidavit in opposition.
On the prayer of Mr. Imti Imsong, learned additional advocate general for the state, further 3 weeks. 3 weeks.
As a last chance, lordship.
To obtain instruction and file affidavit in opposition. MS Judge Zimomi, learned counsel for the petitioners, is present.
For the perfect respondent. Lord.
And then you said are present, you record his name also. Yes, next.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 8. I'm for the state respondents.
Ah.
I may be granted 3 weeks time to file my affidavit.
Why so delay in filing affidavit?
Your Lordship,
On the prayer
I have
of
received instruction.
you have received the instruction?
Yes.
MS?
Yes, Mary.
Learned State Council
Yes, Your Lord.
submits that she has received the instruction to which she would like to bring on record by way of an affidavit.
Lordship.
Therefore, she prays for listing of the matter after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
Prayer not being objected to by Mr. MS. So and so learned counsel, but let this matter be listed after
3 weeks.
3 weeks. In the meantime, the learned state council to file their affidavit.
Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4.
Hmm.
Lordship, here I am yet to receive instruction. So kindly grant me 3 weeks of time to file my affidavit.
On the prayer of Mr.
After 3 weeks, Lordship.
Your name, please.
Adjournment, Lordship.
Learned State Council, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks, so as to enable him to file an affidavit in opposition.
No objection, Lordship.
Hmm.
No objection.
Yes, Mr. So and so, learned counsel for petitioner is present.
Hello.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 3, my lord. My lord, I'll be appearing for the respondents number 4, 5, 7 to 32. So I'll be filing my Bylaw number by next week. And then I'll be filing my counter affidavit. So I may be given 2 weeks time, my lord, to file my Bylaw number as well as the counter
Mr.
affidavit. And no comment.
Learned counsel submits that he has an instruction to appear on behalf of respondent number 4,
4, 5, 7 to 32.
4, 5, 7 to 32. Please tell. Which he would be filing his power within 2 days. Power within 2 days. Within 2 days. And press for listing of the matter after 3 weeks, so as to enable him to file affidavit in opposition. Mr. So and so learned counsel of petitioner is present. In the meantime, state also
Lordship.
may file their affidavits.
State is already filed.
Okay, then you write. You just delete that.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 12 and 13. My lord, in this matter, all the parties have consensus prayer that the matter may come up.
No adjournment.
My lord, in this matter, I have certain instruction to be shown.
What in certain instruction? You are for state.
For respondent number 5, my lord.
Who is respondent number 5?
The medical college.
You take the instruction right now.
My lord, kindly grant.
Over the telephone or via email.
I can be them, but
Who is see? Who is should I mean? Who is the appointing authority here? Who is the appointing authority?
As per the bylaws, it is the college authority. As per the bylaws.
You have appointed. You have appointed the private respondents.
yes, my lord, on the
So,
instruction of the
have you-
state respondent, my lord.
Have you filed the affidavit?
Yes, my lord. I have. Pleading has been come.
We'll consider.
My lord, however, I have certain difficulty also.
What difficulty?
So
Do
kindly.
you have the brief? You just go through your affidavit. We'll go by your affidavit.
It's not my lord. Kindly grant it to me.
We'll try. You go through. Have you gone through the affidavit?
Yes, I've
So
finally.
you go through again. We'll take it up after 1 hour. Please. Hearing no adjournment. Sorry.
May I please, Lordship. Lordship, here, the leading counsel in this is in this post.
Your name is there. Are you there?
Lordship, I've been instructed to appear on behalf of.
Who is
the
there?
leading counsel, Lordship.
There are battery of lawyers. Who is indisposed?
The leading counsel, Moajamir.
Moajamir. Who is M Jemu? Akrio Chuchi, Azilna Lankumar, M Solo. Who else? Who are there? Yeah.
Your Lordship, none of the petitioners' advocates are present here.
You call them. Anyone call them, take the file and read it. Nothing. It's a very simple case. What the petitioner is seeking is that without any advertisement, these respondents have been appointed. That's all. We'll quash the appointments. Who is for private respondent? We'll hear you. Are you ready? Yes. We'll take it up.
Kindly grant.
What's there? You have said what is your stand in the affidavit?
My lord, I have my difficulty.
I'll assist you.
No,
Rather than you assisting me, I'll assist you. Don't worry. Go through again.
And
Let us
moreover, the parties have made a consensus, like
No.
conclusion that.
It's up to the court. I'm sorry.
Yes,
I'm
that-
sorry. It depends on the thing. Just because you have not gone through, we cannot adjourn the matter. Well, that's why we will take it after 1 hour or 2 hours. Are you rushing somewhere? Are you rushing somewhere? Are you going somewhere?
Yes, my lord.
Where?
I have to.
Wedding.
No, I have, a patient in Dimapur who is my brother.
How serious he is?
He's a cancer patient, my lord.
It's okay. We understand.
And
we
today is Friday, so
So we'll
make a visit to him.
because Friday you can visit tomorrow.
Yeah, that is right. That can be.
I may join you tomorrow also. To
No, actually, the program has already been made with the family. Sorry to mention that, but that is my program.
Let us try. This Dimapur it hardly takes 1.5 hours.
That's right.
We'll try. You call the petitioner, whoever is there. Okay, next. We'll see.
Yes.
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 11.
No adjournment. Yes. Item 11.
Your lordship, in a consensus prayer,
No.
let this matter kindly come up.
It's a discretion of the court. Oh, sorry. What is the problem?
Your lordship.
What is the ground of adjournment?
My senior is out of position.
That is
Mr.
that
Ajo.
huh?
Mr. Ajo.
That you have to adjust.
Lordship,
Ah,
here the leading counsel for the petitioner
Hmm.
was informed by the private respondent that they will be seeking an adjournment. That's the reason why the leading counsel.
then you are making a prayer before the court. You decide yourself and Finish it off. All right. Get is off listed. If this is the procedure. See, there must be some ground, reasonable ground.
The leading counsel for the petitioner is ready. However, the
Ready?
primary respondent
We'll take, we'll take after 1 hour.
no, the leading counsel is from Timabro base.
Then
Your
we'll take it at 2 o'clock. It takes
Then
hardly
your lordship may kindly pass over for a day.
not pass over. We'll pass over for the timing. Okay, no adjournment.
Your
Next.
Lordship,
If you don't have brief, get the second file. Take the second file. Yes.
May I please, my lord? My lord, item number 1, but on 11/2026, I have been directed to open instruction as regard to the to show this court that other employees who are in contract service have B.Ed and TT degrees. Here the case, in the present case.
Take instruction right now. We'll take it up.
No, lordship,
Lordship,
you'll be.
I'm appearing on behalf of the petitioner.
Yes.
Yes, your lordship, as per last order, this honorable court has directed the state respondents to place on record that other ad hoc employees, they are also having this B.Ed degree. So today, the matter is fixed for hearing after placing the record that all the ad hoc employees, they are having B.Ed degree. So today, as far as I got the information that the state has not filed any such documents which says that all the ad hoc employees are having this B.Ed degree.
Are you an ad hoc employee? Ad hoc teacher?
Lordship.
No,
The petitioner is not even ad hoc.
you are appointed as a substitute teacher.
Yes, and your lordship, as per last order, this honorable court has clearly described that even if I was appointed as a substitute, if your lordship may allow to read this last paragraph of the last order, your lordship.
Filed it. Hong Kong Anak had been terminated from service. The minimum service because he was stubborn. But then how you are continuing?
Your lordship, that question has to be asked to the state respondent, your lordship.
Therefore, you are not working. We'll dismiss the writ petition. We'll take it up.
Lordship.
We'll take it up.
Lordship.
Lordship, I picked to mention item number 6 on behalf of AIB. Lordship, can you grant 3 weeks time to file the affidavit?
Yes, on the prayer of MS.
AIB.
Learned State Council, further 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in opposition. Yes.
Your Lordship, there is an interim order.
Interim MS so and so, huh? For the petitioner is present, the interim order passed earlier shall continue. Yes.
Lordship, item number 7 as well.
Same.
Lordship.
No affidavit.
Lordship.
Try to, file affidavit. Unnecessary matters are pending. Yes. Same order.
I pledge.
There's no interim order. So and so is present. You want the interim order?
No, Lordship.
Okay. You don't want. Yes.
I pledge.
My attention, my Lord, I beg to mention item number 5.
Yes.
I have standard for waited for affidavit of opposition. I'm waiting for a waited affidavit of opposition.
Why writ petition? Writ petition already allowed. What is your prayer, madam?
Yes, Lordship, my prayer.
Why again writ petition?
Lordship, we have served the honorable court order notice to the respondent number 5. But they have rejected our representation.
You are directed to file a representation.
Yes, Lordship. I served the honorable court order to the respondent number 5, but they've rejected to.
They have
accept
rejected the court's order.
Yes, and they've.
Where is the rejection order?
Lordship, in my page number 32 and execution.
32.
Yes, the DGR has refused to accept our notice.
Hmm?
The DGR has refused to accept our notice.
What is this?
This is, we have sent through registered post. And they've returned back our.
Refused by the. You file a contempt. Where did petition?
Lordship, there's one proceeding. We have already filed our contempt.
Where it is?
Just one, in this case, we have filed our contempt.
You have filed a contempt.
Yes,
It's pending.
Yes,
So how the writ will lie? We'll decide the contempt.
Yes, Lordship, but this.
Your grievance has already been allowed. I mean, by this court,
Yes, Lordship.
right?
Yes, Lordship.
So they are not complying with the court's order. What is the direction? What is the direction?
Lordship, page 27.
In discussion, so and so, low laid down, the appeal dismissal and order of court of inquiry and gossip written by the. It is also said that the adjustment shall convene another fresh court of inquiry, give due opportunity to query and essay the inquiry and pass necessary orders after giving an opportunity of being heard following all the procedures laid down in the Assam report. As regards the back wages system shall be disbanded on the upcoming. The constitutional president will disability and welfare case may. Now, what is your prayer here?
Lordship, here the petitioner contracted while disability in service, which has been clearly.
Not to be
given
directed to pay allowance to from 1st October in the internet, the grant disability with restaurants. No, this cannot be. This all are they have been directed to be, I mean, to have a the de novo inquiry and all these things have to be outcome of that only. You cannot file a writ petition like this. You have filed a contempt.
Yes.
You have availed the appropriate remedy.
Yes, sir. Proceed.
Then let us see that contempt petition, not the writ petition. This writ petition is not maintainable.
Lordship, that will be listed after 1 year.
No. We are dismissing today. Who is your senior?
IMT.
Where it is? Where he is?
Today he has some personal difficulty.
We'll take it up on Monday. Writ petition is not maintainable. Heard MS so and so learned counsel for the petitioner. Just wait. Upon consideration of the pleadings, pleadings and the writ petition, it appears that the grievance raised has already been allowed by this court in the earlier round of the litigation, being WPC 71 of 2024 and WPC 314 of 2023 by this court by an judgment and order dated 14/05/2025. Listen. It is the contention of the learned counsel of the petitioner that the respondent authorities have refused to accept the refused to receive the copy judgment and order of this court passed in the above writ petition, whereby while allowing the writ petitions have directed to consider the case of the petitioner, which in fact is the grievance raised in this present proceedings. In view of above, this court finds it prima facie not maintainable in the present form. That too, when the contempt petition has already been filed, which is stated to be pending. However, considering that Mr. Imti Longshire has some still difficulty, who is Imti Longshire learned counsel for the petitioner, who is leading in this case, come up. Let this matter be listed on Monday. In the meantime, whatever instruction you want to take, you take it. List what do you know the contempt number?
Lordship, right now, I don't.
You just give it, find it out and give it. List the matter along with contempt petition, so and so, so and so. Give the number to her. You find out.
For admission, item number 1.
May I plead, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, here I am serving as a substitute teacher in government middle school at Kifri district. Your Lordship, the brief facts of the case is that one Mr. Tompang Aunok was serving as a graduate teacher on ad hoc basis at the same place where now I am serving Your Lordship. So Your Lordship, after some time, there was a disciplinary proceeding against Mr. Tompang Aunok. So accordingly, he was suspended from his service. So I applied for substitute teacher on place of Mr. Tompang Aunok. So accordingly, I was appointed as a substitute teacher in place of Mr. Tompang Aunok. Your Lordship, as per RTI reply, Mr. Tompang Aunok has not applied for continuation of his service and he has been terminated from the service.
Yes.
So since February 2012, now it's almost 13 years, Your Lordship. I'm serving as a substitute teacher as per my appointment order, Your Lordship.
On what extent?
Lordship?
What is it on what extent? On what basis?
In place of Tompang Aunok, who was serving as ad hoc teacher, but as per my appointment order, appointed as teacher, Your Lordship.
He's gone. Now he has been dismissed. So how you are continuing? Let us see your appointment order.
Your Lordship,
your appointment order, please.
Lordship, that is on page 25, Your Lordship. I beg your pardon, Your Lordship, that is on page 25. 25A, Your Lordship, type copy. May I read, Your Lordship?
25A.
25A, Your Lordship, that is type copy.
Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Act as substitute GT. What is GT? Graduate teacher.
Graduate teacher, Lordship.
The appointment of Srimati Hokkani Chopi will automatically be terminated as soon as his resigns on expiry of suspension. Yes, then?
Your Lordship, now since Mr. Tompang Aunok was already terminated from his service. So till now, the state respondents, they are rendering my service. And till now, I am serving as a graduate teacher in the said concerned middle school, Your Lordship. Now here, yes, Lordship.
Any other any other appointment, any other orders where you are appointed on being terminated of the teacher?
That is your Lordship. We have filed one RTI. As per that RTI reply, the concerned state respondent has replied that service of the Mr. This Tompang Aunok has already been terminated.
Then?
So that state respondents, they have still taking my service and still I am serving as a graduate teacher.
How this is possible? How this is possible? Without any order? Your appointment is only as a substitute. If it
Yes,
is, either your appointment has to be extended.
No, Your Lordship.
On termination of that teacher, termination of the person who were holding that post.
Lordship, that is up to the state respondent.
No.
Then, Your Lordship, if there was any issue, then how could I continue my service till date, Your Lordship?
How you are continued? Your continuation is illegal.
Lordship, I am still continuing because of my appointment order.
How can you continue like this?
Your Lordship, if there was any issue, then my termination has to be terminated by the state respondent.
We'll direct them to terminate and fill up the post for open advertisement. That's all.
Then, Your Lordship, what about as per last order? Here, my only prayer in the very first order, Your Lordship, that is annexure of the state which has filed their reply. The order says that my only issue is that since I was and still I am discharging that same service which Mr. Tompang Aunok was discharging. So on the principle of equal pay for equal work, I should have get that equal salary. On the last occasion, after hearing, this honorable court came to the conclusion that the state respondent raised the issue that whether I possess the same quality which other ad hoc employees are possessing or not. That is regarding B.Ed degree.
Are you an ad hoc employee?
Lordship, even though I am not ad hoc employee, but my service is same.
Are you getting the salary?
Lordship, I am only getting 8,400, whereas that Mr. Tompang Aunok, he was getting 14,000 something. So my only prayer was that which Mr. Tompang Aunok was getting, I should get that same salary on the basis of equal pay for equal work. That is my only limited prayer, Your Lordship.
No, your limited prayer is rejected.
Your Lordship, state respondent's plea was...
See, number one, you are appointed as a substitute teacher. Number two, you are not having the qualification. Number three, that substitute, the appointment has not been extended. Therefore, if you have been allowed to continue the services you have rendered, and you are getting the salary, so till as on today, it's well and good. You are getting the salary, whatever you are getting, it's okay. Now, since there is no appointment, there is no extension as such, your claim cannot be accepted.
Lordship, that is not my fault. That is my fault. State is still taking my service.
Service, they are paying you salary also.
Lordship, but what about the service which I am giving, which Mr. Tompang Aunok was also rendering to the...
No, you cannot claim. You could have been appointed, had you been appointed properly in a post,
Lordship, that is not claim. Lordship, that is. I'm only saying, your Lordship, whatever service I have rendered, my service was similar to that of the service of Mr. Tompang Auno. So, on the basis of equal pay for equal.
Are you eligible to all the post of the graduate teacher?
There is no question. There is no question about that. That is what, your Lordship, as per last order, this honorable court has come to the conclusion that if my service is not eligible to that of Mr. Tompang Auno, then state respondent has to present or file all the documents that Mr. Tompang Auno or other ad hoc employees, they are also possessing that same qualification. That was the only issue, your Lordship, as per the last order. So accordingly, this court has directed the state respondent to file their bad degrees, that they are also possessing that same qualification. Otherwise, I am also discharging same service, your Lordship. Only question was whether I am possessing that same qualification or not. If they are also not possessing that same qualification, then it's a clear case of discriminatory treatment, your Lordship, because I am discharging the same duty as of Mr. Tompang
It's not the question of discharging the same duty. First, you have to establish that your appointment is legal. You have been validly appointed. Having all the degrees or the qualification for graduate teacher. They are saying that you are not a graduate, I mean, you are not having you are not possessing the education qualification.
B.Ed degree, your Lordship, B.Ed degree. And that law came into force in 2017 only, whereas I was appointed in 2012, your Lordship. At that time, there was no such or mandate.
The government is gracious enough to allow you to continue as on today.
Lordship,
how you manage to continue?
Your Lordship, that is not my issue.
Your issue we're taking cognizance of all the issues. It's not that you'll just pick up the issue which is favorable to you. All right.
No, your Lordship. My issue is your
Lordship. You are not entitled at all. You are not you are not entitled to continue in the service at all. Forget about the equal pay, equal works. Forget about that.
Your Lordship.
We're conscious of the law. Mr. We're also conscious of the law.
Lordship, here my question is, if there is any issue regarding my appointment,
yes,
then whether Mr. Tompang Aunok or all the ad hoc employees...
Doesn't matter whether he is dismissed, he's been continue, whether he has been removed, it doesn't matter. If the post is vacant, and then if it is to be filled up, if it is a requirement of the teacher, they will fill up it through the open advertisement, where you can also participate. Obviously, you will not be eligible.
No, Lordship, then what about...
See, be satisfied. Whatever you are getting today, whatever you have been allowed to work, be happy. Don't ask for more than what you are deserved.
Your Lordship, then what about my service?
See,
which I have during 13 years.
Mr. Suren.
Lordship.
Mr. Suren.
Lordship.
You are comfortable with the Hindi.
Yes, your Lordship.
See, there is saying, "Lene ko dene par jayenge," right? Either you are pressing it or will dismiss the writ petition, and will have to fill up the post through open advertisement.
Lordship,
one could understand your services are being extracted, and if you are not being paid salary, all right, although your appointment is not a valid appointment, right?
How, Lordship, my appointment is not valid?
How can it's a substitute teacher?
Yes, so my appointment.
So as the rule. So as the rule. So as any rule where you can be appointed as substitute teacher and you will be entitled to all this the entitlements.
No, your Lordship, my appointment was done by the... Okay.
Heard, Mr. P. Suren. Anything?
Lordship, then On the last occasion, this honorable court has directed the state respondent to place on record that other ad hoc employees they are possessing BEd.
Next week, we'll take it up. And simply your instruction is whether all the ad hoc teachers are having the degree or not. That's all.
Lordship, in that case, we have to take, we have to take, survey the whole districts again. So it'll take time if we were to produce that record, Lordship. However, even if we bring that, Lordship, the legal basis, the basis of the case of the case of the petition is going to be proof, which my learner, which my lord.
You have made a statement saying that while all the other permanent contractual ad hoc employees of the department have the required BEd degree qualification.
Yes.
So, what's the question of you bring it on record, on instruction that all these things are will be satisfied. You don't have to. You don't have to give one after the particular name. Your secretary, commissioner, education, whoever, competent authority, give in writing. Or is there any doubt?
Lordship, that I have to take instruction in that.
That's right, next week.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Surya. Do some research.
Lordship.
And don't try to, don't be don't live in a fool's paradise.
Lordship.
And have some anticipation that court may also know the law.
Lordship.
Lordship, but one thing is, I don't know whether even if I bring that, whether.
We'll dismiss for dismissal next week. Heard Mr. P. Suryan, learned counsel for the petitioner. On the prayer of Mr. K. Angami, London State Council. Further, 3 days time is granted to obtain obtain instruction as regards the qualification of a BEd degree of those permanent contract ad hoc employees of the department in terms of the order dated 12/02/2026. 4 days. List the matter on Thursday.
My lord, I pray for private respondent number 6. My petition is being
Yes, Thursday we're fixing it.
Lordship.
You remember this? लेने को देने पड़ जाएंगे, and they always anticipate that the court may also know the law.
Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship.
For admission, item number 2.
Please, my lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, the 49 petitioner approached this honorable court for non-advertisement of general post of agri-field assistant in advertisement 2025.
Yes.
Now, there was advertisement on 3/2/2026.
Yes.
This year, and 24 vacancies has been advertised. Then, just recently, an addendum has been, this may be put on report, Lordship.
Just wait. You want that the post of
Agri-field assistant post.
agri-field assistant.
Yes, AFA, AFA in short, Lordship.
Assistant be advertised.
Yes, Lordship.
Why? What is your right?
There were vacancies, but general vacancy was
It's
not.
up to the government.
Yes, Lordship. Advertised, and only 7 backlog was advertised. And we approached this honorable court. Now, Lordship, they have advertised 24 posts, and
Madam,
now
just
addendum.
before this, you just tell me the facts slowly.
I just want to withdraw the case because 48 posts has been advertised, Lordship.
You want to withdraw the matter?
Yes, because
Writ petition.
yes, writ petition,
That's what-
basing upon the 48 post that was already
Will not say
advertised.
anything. Will not say anything. If you want to withdraw, we'll allow you to withdraw. That's all.
Lordship, just one, my humble prayer. I will withdraw the case with liberty to file a fresh, if any.
Your
in the near
liberty is
future.
always there. But
Yes, Lordship, that's all.
So why we need to go to the facts of the matter unnecessary? MS Judge Zimomi, learned counsel for the petitioners, submits that she has an instruction to withdraw the writ petition with the liberty to file a fresh. Mr. Enangami, learned state counsel is present. According the writ petition stands closed on withdrawal with a liberty as spread forth. That's all.
Lordship. But then that may be placed on record, Lordship.
It's okay, no.
Okay.
You keep it yourself. It may help you in future. For hearings, don't burden the registry.
In case of subsequent action, Lordship.
That's why liberty has been given.
Lordship, highly obliged.
For hearing, item
Yeah.
number 11.
No, you take the orders first.
For orders, item number 14.
Hearing, I see a big cloud looming large for hearings.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I am challenging the actions of the Airport Authority of India, more particularly the Dimapur Airport section, Your Lordship, in rejecting the technical bid of the petitioner. May I take Your Lordship to page 16?
Yes.
This is the tender document.
Reconstruction of runway
Yes, Your Lordship.
from Chinese 50
to
to
350.
with rigid pavement and associated works at Dimapur Airport, strengthening of affected runways. Yes, then
My Lord, to show the
this
arbitrary-
is of which what is the date of advertisement?
Your Lordship.
Date of advertisement.
Your Lordship, may kindly come to page 21. The publishing date is 8/1/2026.
8/1.
Then may I take Your Lordship to the last two columns.
Yes.
The last two line in a column. Number one, bid
Page.
opening date. Page 21, my Lord. Bid opening date is 4/2/2026 at 11 hours. We're now concerned with bid envelope one only, Your Lordship. The bid opening date of envelope two, which is financial part, my Lord is aware.
Your bid is the envelope one has been rejected.
Yes, Your Lordship.
That you are concerned about this bid opening that of envelope one.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, then
Now, my Lord, may I take Your Lordship to page 25, the clause 7 of the.
first, where is your rejection first?
Your Lordship, I will show Your Lordship.
First, come to the rejection.
Yes, Your Lordship. Now, my Lord, on date 11, instead of 4, Your Lordship, on date 11, my Lord, may kindly come to page 41 annexure 2. This is the SMS message that is, my Lord is aware about the e-tendering process. The moment the envelope is opened, the tender will get a message. Your Lordship, this is at 4:30 on 11th, Your Lordship, 4:30 p.m. Annexure 2, page 41. My Lord is at page 41.
Yes.
Dear user, this is to inform that your bid ID 967057 against the tender ID number
Has been opened for
Has been opened.
may kindly check the portal. Yes,
Yes, Your
the
Lordship.
next.
Then Your Lordship may kindly come to annexure 3. This is also
You are
on
informed that
11th
you are-
February.
Further inform may kindly check the portal contract.
Yes, Your Lordship.
If required. Yes, then finally, where has been rejected?
Then Your Lordship may kindly come to annexure 4, page 43. My lord, this is 12 February 2026 at 7:08 PM. Email, Your Lordship. Your Lordship will see in the second column, bid list. Bid list. My lord, here, serial number 1 is HH.
Admitted?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Rejected,
Finance.
admitted.
Then number 2 is my client's firm, Your Lordship.
There are three bidders, 4 bidders.
4 bidders, Your Lordship. So the second and third were rejected.
Okay.
And second is my client, Your Lordship.
Not meeting NIT criteria.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Ah.
Now may I take Your Lordship to the clause 7 of the NIT, page 25, my lord. Page 25, the last part, Your Lordship, serial number 7, clause 7.
Page 25.
My lord.
Bids opening process.
May I read, my lord?
This is part of what? NIT?
Yes, Your Lordship.
It's a terms of NIT or what?
In terms of NIT, Your Lordship, the procedure to be followed, my lord.
Just wait.
May I read, my lord?
Yes.
Envelope 1, EMD, if not filled online on CPP portal, technical bid and pre-qualification. Envelope 1, containing documents as per para 2A, B, and C as applicable, uploaded by the tenders, shall be opened on date and time mentioned in critical date sheet, which I have shown Your Lordship at page 21, my lord. As per the critical date sheet, which is supposed to be on 4th of February, my lord. Then the next page, my lord. If any clarification is needed from the tender about a deficiency in his uploaded documents in envelope 1, he will be asked to provide it through CPP portal if required. The tender shall upload the requisite clarification / documents within time specified by AAI, failing which it will be presumed that bidder does not have anything to submit and bid shall be evaluated accordingly, Your Lordship. This opportunity was not given to the bidder, Your Lordship.
That's all.
Yes, Your Lordship.
This is a tender about the deficiency in his uploaded documents in the envelope 1.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Then come to page 40, that is rejection.
Yes, Your Lordship, at page 43. Then, my lord.
What does it say?
Your Lordship.
43 says, not meeting NIT criteria.
Yes, Your Lordship. Now, my lord, if the opportunity is given to the bidder,
No.
the petitioner in this case, my lord.
No, it's not a question of deficiency of the documents.
Your Lordship.
It says something else.
No, dear,
not
not
meeting NIT criteria.
Your Lordship.
It is not the deficiency of the documents.
No, my lord, will only the letter also, my lord.
No, this clause, it says, if any clarification needed from the tenderer by them about the deficiency of the uploaded documents in envelope 1, then only you will be provided a chance. You will be given a chance. All right. If any deficiency. But the rejection reason is not meeting the NIT criteria. It's not a NIT criteria.
Your Lordship will kindly appreciate this. It is not that the firm of my client, the petitioner, does not have sufficient experience or other major deficiency, nothing of the sort, Your Lordship. Some minor, Your Lordship, I will take Your Lordship to their letter also, my lord.
Let us see.
Before that, my lord, may kindly on this page at annexure 4, page 43, technical bid opening summary, Your Lordship. It is at 4:30. Then the financial bid was also on the same day at 4:45, Your Lordship. Within 15 minutes, what clarification will be sought from any bidder, from any tender, Your Lordship? It clearly shows that this is totally irrational, arbitrary, Your Lordship. And my lord, I will take Your Lordship to...
Now it's a age of AI. It could be in 2 minutes also. 15 minutes is a big time.
Your Lordship, on 4th, the bid was supposed to be opened. On 4th, and within a specified period, any shortage of documents,
That's what I'm saying. It doesn't indicate the shortage of documents. Otherwise, you are correct. If your bid is rejected because of the deficiency of the documents of envelope one,
My lord, I will take your lordship to their letter.
they are supposed to provide you an opportunity
Your lordship.
to correct it. But it says something else, not meeting NIT criteria. There is a hell lot of, criteria. All right. We don't know. What is this? Yes.
No, my lord, before they submit your lordship, I will take your lordship to
Definitely, we'd like to see what is the reason.
your lordship. Now, may I take your lordship to page 47, my lord, annexure 6.
Yes.
Now, this is the reply to the letter that my client submitted, the petitioner submitted.
47. Yes.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay.
May I read, my lord? This is 17th February 2026. To MS Hassel deal, no hassle deal.
No hassle deal.
No hassle deal.
What does it mean?
No, that is the name of the firm, your lordship.
Is it something indicates something else? No hassle deal.
Your lordship, that I leave it to
Free from hassle.
the firm's wisdom, your lordship.
Okay.
Now, your lordship.
Please.
Sir, in reference to your letter number such and such dated 14/2/2026, it is to inform that the technical bid was opened on 4/2/2026 at 11:51 a.m. Your lordship, this is a total lie, your lordship, because when it was opened, immediate SMS was 11 February, not 4, your lordship. As per the schedule mentioned in NIT. Accordingly, the documents of all bidders were downloaded from CPP portal for scrutiny. During scrutiny, it was observed that your document submitted was not as per ENIT criteria regarding your experience certificate. Moreover, you have not submitted undertaking from parent company as per Appendix 8 PQ Performa to be duly filled was not submitted, and integrity pack submitted by you was also incomplete. After evaluation of documents of all the bidders, the financial bid was opened on such and such 11/2/2026 at 4:50 p.m. Now, your lordship, any of these documents, does it form part of the major qualification criteria, your lordship? These are all minor documents, your lordship, which clarification could have been sought from the firm of the petitioner, your lordship.
Experience certificate, undertaking from parent company as per so-and-so, performer daily bill was submitted and integrity fact submitted was also incomplete.
And one more thing, your lordship. My lord, may kindly turn to page 32, the general instructions, clause 10, my lord. 10B.
Yes.
10B, my lord. Amendment to tender document. Now, if the bid was the change of date for opening the bid was necessitated, then this procedure, this instruction had to be followed to the teeth, my lord. Amendment to tender document. At any time prior to scheduled date of submission of bids, AI, if it deems appropriate to revise any part of this tender or issue additional date, my lord. If additional date is to be issued to clarify the interpretation of provisions of this tender, it may issue addendum corrigendum to this tender. Any such addendum corrigendum shall be deemed to be incorporated by this reference into this tender and binding on the bidders. Addendum/corrigendum will be notified through CPP's website portal only, your lordship. No change of date has also been notified to the tenders, your lordship.
So according to you, it was supposed to be open on when?
4th.
4th.
It has to be strictly according to the critical date sheet.
They have said that it was open on 4th.
No, that is just a claim, my lord, because the SMS received when the bid was opened, it is 11th, your lordship, at 4:30 p.m.
Let us see where it is. Where it is? Where you have shown that when it was open on 11?
Yes, your lordship. My lord, it is at page 41, my lord. Annexure 2.
This is to inform you that your bid against the tender has been opened. For further information, may kindly.
Then the next page, my lord, on the portal also, the portal. The portal date also shows 11th February 2026. This is a screenshot of the portal, my lord.
No, first one, page 41, how do you read it was, how do you say that it's on 11th?
Your Lordship, it is a screenshot from the phone.
See, when you were open it, screenshot it in, it must be.
The next date, the next page makes it clear, my lord. The portal page, page. On the top, you see, my lord, 11
February.
2026.
That may be done that day. You might have checked it on 11th February.
Yes, it was opened on 11th instead of 4th. Now, if the date is to be changed, addendum or corrigendum is to be issued, my lord, there's clearly no fair play in this on how the bidding process has been conducted, my lord. It is my humble submission that prima facie fair play is not there, my lord. And when there is no fair play, my lord, there is every possibility that my client will be successful in the financial bid. So no opportunity was given as per the clause 7 of the NIT provision, my lord. It was totally set aside, a known procedure was adopted, and that is how the...
See, look at,
my lord.
See, suppose the bidders, they're supposed to upload their documents for envelope 1
The Lord.
with all the required documents. If somebody fails to this thing, she fails to upload some documents as per the requirement of the NIT, right?
The Lordship.
Should the authority will ask that, no, you have not uploaded after opening. How they know that it is not uploaded? Once you have not uploaded, it doesn't meet the criteria. So it can be rejected technically.
So, Your Lordship, the moment it is opened, a time frame will be given to the bidder, the tender, that this document clarification is required.
See, deficiency and requirement which you have not submitted is two different things. Deficiency may be certain area where you have to give it certain documents, right?
Your Lordship.
Which is beyond your control. But the requirements of the documents which you have not submitted would be completely different.
For that, I will rely on the page 48, Annexure 7 of my client's, the petitioner's letter, 18 February 2026. May I take a lordship to page 48, 48.
See, sir, you can write anything.
Your Lordship, my Lord, I'm trying to satisfy this honorable court.
Yes.
So, Your Lordship, this is in reply, my Lord. With reference to the above subject cited above, we kindly draw your attention that we have uploaded the documents mentioned as per NIT as follows. 1. We have submitted the duly filled PQ pro forma as per NIT. Further, we have submitted Form A separately enclosed as Annexure 1 for ready reference, since in PQ for pro forma, the space provided for writing was not sufficient, so it was separately annexed, Your Lordship. 2, it is for your information that we have submitted the experience certificate as per the ENIT criteria of similar work pertaining to NH Road. However, your department failed to take verification on the details of the work from the said department. Neither was any correspondence made to us for clarification of the work. I have attached along with this the details provided by PWD National Highways Chief Engineer Office, Kohima, Nagaland. 3. Integrity pack is also submitted and is enclosed herewith as Annexure 2. The missing signatures of the witness could have easily been resolved by correspondence through shortfall documents.
Let us hear them.
Your Lordship.
Today is for we're considering for your interim prayer.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Respondent 1 and 2, Airports Authority. I filed my Vakalatnama in the morning, Lordship.
Yeah. Yes.
Lordship, I have some preliminary instructions which I would like to.
You tell us what is there.
I would get. My Lord has rightly pointed that the insufficient document and shortfall, there are two separate things, Lordship. May I read para 6, Your Lordship, page 2. Para 6, page 2, Lordship, may I read?
Sure.
that the respondent states the mandatory eligibility criteria for the present tender should contain envelope one containing, these are the mandatory documents, Lordship, which were required in the tender. The petitioner did not submit as per the tender. His PQ form was not submitted, Lordship. And also his work experience was not as per our tender requirements. Lordship, his work experience was repair and bituminous work, whereas our tender required the work of NH. If I may take your Lordship to page 23 of the writ petition.
Yes.
May I take your Lordship to page 23, your Lordship, of the writ petition?
And experience certificate. Yes. Page 23.
Yes, your Lordship. Clause C, Roman 1.
23.
Yes, clause C, Roman 1, Lordship. Lordship, here the tender should have successfully completed or substantially completed 3 works, each of rupees 2 crores 26 lakhs 18,400, so and so, or 2 works each of 2 crores 82 lakhs and 4 crores, excluding in single contract of similar nature of work of rigid, flexible pavement works in airfield, national highways or expressways, harbor pavements, state highway with MORTH specification during the last 7 years, ending last of the previous months. Lordship, the petitioner herein did not qualify our similar nature of works. He had the qualifications of repair and bituminous work only, Lordship. As such, he did not ask for any shortfall documents and we have rejected him. Lordship, in this tender, there were 4 participants, Lordship, out of which 2 were rejected. One of us is petitioner and the other is Mrs. Trident. Now, Lordship, may I take you again to my instructions? Page number 7, Lordship. Page, Annexure 1, page 7 of my instructions.
Yes.
Your Lordship, here, as you can see, this is the petitioner's work details which he has provided to us. Here, the nature of work is written repair and bituminous work, which is not meeting as per our tender requirements, Lordship. And this work, Your Lordship, is for strengthening of runway of our of the airport of the state of Nagaland. There's only one airport here, Lordship, and it is for strengthening of 350 meters, Lordship. Lordship, this tender is it's actually for public safety, Lordship. At present, it is under strengthening, Lordship, and since the petitioner was not meeting with our tender requirements, hence we have rejected him, Lordship. That is one. And also, Lordship, the petitioner has concealed one important material fact here. I'll take you again to page 43, which my learned senior has also pointed out again, the petitioner's counsel. I'll take you again to that page, Lordship. Page 43. Page 43 of the writ petition.
Yes.
My Lord, will come below to the heading technical evaluation summary details. My Lord, have that column. Below, my Lord, you'll see below the date of financial bid opening date, there is document attached. It's some 558.36 KB, which is PDF file, Lordship. The petitioner could have accessed this and would have annexed in the writ petition if they wanted to come with clean hands. But
which one?
The PDF file, Lordship.
Yes.
Which is written 558.36 KB. It's technical summary report.
Technical summary, evaluation summary details.
Yes, Your Lordship. That column, the last line, it's written technical summary 303680.pdf, my Lord. there is written 558.36 KB. That is the PDF file, Lordship. He could have opened that and he could have placed that technical summary in this writ petition. He chose not to. Now, my lord, that's why I have placed that same document in my instructions, because the petitioner has hidden the material facts. Now, the same document I have annexed in my instructions, Lordship. I'll take again to my instructions, page 17. My lord, may come to page 17 of my instructions, my lord.
17.
17, yes. My lord, this is the same PDF folder which is there, Lordship. And on top, my lord, will see the date, Lordship.
4th February.
4th February,
yes.
2026. The technical bid was open at 4th February at around 11:51 AM in the morning. This is the.
So 11th, it was just uploaded on the portal.
It is updated, not uploaded, Your Lordship. It is updated in the CPP portal. And
we don't know. I don't know. This code is not savvy with all these technical things.
Your Lordship, even we, Your Lordship.
So upload and updated it. Different thing.
It's different thing. I'll tell you, Lordship.
You upload immediately after the open. I mean the opening of the this thing technical bid on 4th.
On 4th we opened the technical bid.
And it was uploaded.
Yes, and
that's a blatant claim, my lord.
Lordship, it is updated.
And 11th is only updated.
11 is updated because, Your Lordship, I'll tell you the reason. It is portal generated, and since after the rejection of the technical bid, automatically it gets updated in the CPP portal. That's why that date is showing. Whereas it is a fact that on 4th February, the technical bid was open. The petitioner, obviously, Your Lordship, they have access to CPP portal. So it is not the case of, it is not incorrect on the petitioner's part that he said that technical bid and financial bid was open on the same day. That is incorrect proposition of laws.
Okay, we'll let them file the affidavit.
Yes, Your Lordship.
No interim.
Your Lordship, if my lord may kindly appreciate it. Now, the clarification which...
It's a tender matter, we'll dispose of the matter within a week.
Within a week.
After 1 week, then they file it.
Not
What is this?
after 1 week.
What is this
on Thursday?
What is the status?
Your Lordship, the status as we have declared L1, but we have not awarded the tender till now. We have declared, but we have not awarded. We have given his documents for verifications. His documents are verified. Lordship, I am praying that this matter may be taken up after a week, next Friday, because, Your Lordship, it's on the public interest, Lordship. If the runway is not strengthened now, Lordship, it will hamper public as well as the aircraft. It's upon the safety, Lordship.
So, Your Lordship, let's take it up on Thursday instead of Friday, because on Friday, my lord's last day. So, we do not want to pressure.
Lordship, I'm praying for
Not necessarily discord. Any court can.
Lordship, I'm praying for Friday because, Your Lordship, I'm an outstation advocate.
We'll take it out on Monday, next Monday, after 1 week. Next Monday means it's 16. We'll dispose of the matter. Because see,
Your Lordship,
let us be very frank. Looking at this, I mean, after hearing you, I'm not saying that you don't have a case, but then I'm not inclined to grant any interim or blanket. Therefore, I'll not say anything on the interim. Neither I'll reject nor will allow them to file the affidavit.
my lord, I will also be allowed to
take it up the matter on Monday or Tuesday next, 16 or 17.
I may also be allowed to file the documents. It's not that we have. There is no material suppression.
See, you file your affidavit. Yes, madam.
Yes.
You file your affidavit by Thursday next.
Yes.
Next Thursday.
Yes. I have
next week.
video copy, Lordship.
You'll get. Don't worry.
I have filed my Bagala number this morning.
Who are you?
I am respondent number 3.
The L1.
L1.
Okay. You'll get everything. So you file by Thursday so that they can reply by Monday, and we'll fix the matter on Tuesday. I mean next. We cannot afford to keep it pending.
My lord.
More so, I'm not inclined to pass interim order, stalling the process. Because prima facie, I find Prima facie. See, if I reject your interim prayer, it looks, it doesn't good. So seriously, you have mentioned the matter, and when I take it up, I have done it.
No, the serious
It's
technicalities,
better.
my lord is fully aware that on the serious technicalities, it is
Sir,
not wrong of the honorable.
I'm sorry, I was wondering that how can they open it on 11th when the list is there? I understand for that it has to be extended, certain order has to be passed. I mean, decision has to be conveyed that this scheduled date for opening is postponed or preponed, whatever.
Your lordship.
But then you look at this.
Your lordship, I will also try to find out whether the so-called claim that it was opened on 4th was actually uploaded on 4th or not. I will find out.
Look at no.
Okay, thank you.
The same documents which you have the taken up, and she may be correct. This is PDF.
So on the portal,
Page-
whether it was
page
uploaded
43.
on 4th or not, I'll find out from the client. I'll find out.
Page 43.
Yes, your lordship.
Had you been open this PDF, page 43, you could have got all these things.
Your lordship.
And more so when I was reading the file yesterday,
My lord.
I thought I will stay the entire process. Looking at the clause 7,
My lord.
considering the clause 7. But today she has produced something.
Your lordship,
And
I was not aware of this. I'll find out.
I failed to notice that not meeting the NIT criteria, this I have failed to notice yesterday night.
Your lordship.
Today I have noticed. Therefore,
clarification clause is there, my lord. So they could have clarified.
Yes.
But they never gave me that opportunity. So,
It's
my lord,
okay. It has not been finalized.
And your lordship,
And
the
what-
experience was also not as
Will
per the
not. Yes, that we'll consider. You bring on record so that he can reply.
Yes, your lordship.
So we'll say that by Thursday you file it,
Yes, your lordship.
and by furnishing copy to the learned counsel for business, and by Monday, if any reply
your lordship.
you would like to,
I will definitely file your lordship if it
next
is necessary.
Tuesday. Yes,
Then, my lord, may kindly keep the interim open for the next date if my lord may.
not interim. I'll not say anything. You may renew it. Otherwise, if you want me to consider, I'll record everything because it may create more harm than. Because I'll have to record to reject your interim prayer. Simply, I cannot say that this court is not inclined, therefore no interim. I cannot say that. I'll have to record everything.
My lord.
Up to you.
No, I agree with your lordship.
Yes.
Unfortunately, I was not aware of that document. But if it is uploaded on the page 11th,
We'll just
then the claim of 4th is just a claim, my lord.
we'll just record this your case. What is your case? I'll just record it.
My lord, your lordship.
And not the purpose of consideration. We'll just keep it open.
My lord.
We'll not say anything. You may renew if in case it is not if the matter is if it is not taken up, if the matter cannot be disposed of, you may renew.
My lord.
We'll keep it open.
Your lordship.
But we're not recording anything.
My lord.
Okay.
Your lordship.
Sir, does
Heard
this-
Mr. Joshua Sop, counsel for the petitioner. By filing this writ petition, the petitioner has put to challenge the rejection of tender, particularly the technical, rejection of technical bid being not meeting the NIT criteria. Pursuant to the NIT dated 08/01/2026 for the work of reconstruction of runway from Chinese 50 M to 350 It's a meter.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes,
3
Your Lordship.
meter to 350 meter with rigid pavement and associated works at Dimapur Airport, so and so. What is HAs?
SH.
You just take it from page 19. Page 19, in bold letter. Of affected area of railway, so and so, allied works at an estimate cost of rupees, so and so, so and so. This stuff. It is the contention of the petitioner that the technical, what do we call it? Technical bit, particularly technical bit within bracket, envelope 1, envelope dash Roman 1, capital Roman 1, bracket close, was supposed to be opened on 04/02/2026 at 11 hours. However, same was open on 11/2/2026, violating the, what do we call it? Critical data
Date sheet.
date sheet, critical date sheet as provided in the NIT list of. The rejection is in violation of the clause 7.
Yes, my lord.
There is page
Page 25, my lord.
clause 7 with regards to the bid opening process, which provides that any clarification, if any clarification is needed from the tenderer about the deficiency in the uploaded documents in envelope 1, the tenderer would be asked to provide it through the portal if required, and the tenderer shall upload the requisite clarification documents within the specific time, within the time specified, failing which it shall be presumed that bidders does not have anything to submit and bid shall be evaluated accordingly. The respondent authorities, without adhering to the said clause, has opened the tender, that too, other than the date fixed for opening of the technical bid, that is on 11 so and so, that is IE 11/2/2026, has not provided such provided to the petitioner such clarification as regard the deficiency of the documents. Stuff. That's all, Mr. No, MS
Priyana Shetty.
Learned Counsel for the, just give the name. And MS Jed Zimobi, Learned Counsel for the respondent number 1, 2, and 3.
I'm for 1 and 2.
1, 2, no, 3 of.
I'm for 3. Private person.
How many? Who is 4?
Who is performer responsible?
Performer, your lordship.
You take steps.
Your lordship.
1, 2, and 3. Mr. Petitioners to take. Have you taken steps on 4?
Your lordship, we tried to effect through Dusty Service, but it's from South India, so we couldn't do it. Registered post, my lord.
You just do it registered post.
My lord.
Okay.
Your lordship.
Runs counsel for the petition to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 4 by speed post as well as speed post. Sir, a speed post as well as usual process, Please stop. Next para. considering that the matter pertains to what is called construction of what?
Strengthening of runway, Your Lordship.
The strengthening of runway. Strengthening of affected area of strengthening of runway.
Reconstruction of runway, my lord.
Okay, reconstruction of runway at Dimapur Airport. Come on. And considering that the importance. No, not considering the runway at Dimapur Airport being a public interest and involves the public interest. Come on, the respondents, the land council for the respondents are directed to file their affidavits in the opposition by 16th. Oh, sorry. When is the next Thursday?
17. Oh, 16.
No.
12.
By 12/03/2026, by furnishing the copy to the land council for the petitioner. Listen, the land council for the petitioner may file his reply, if any, by 16th of 16/3/2024. 6 next paragraph. The as agreed to by land council for the parties, let this matter be listed on 17.
As a fixed item.
17.
My lord, can status quo be the moment?
Lordship, I am objecting to this.
Difficult. Let them proceed and,
Yes,
and don't finalize. I'm not passing anything.
Yes.
It will take time.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Will take time.
Yes. We are about to finalize, Lordship. Only
It's all recorded in the video. I mean, so better you don't finalize. Don't complicate the matter. All right.
Exactly, Lordship.
Don't complicate the matter. You are fixing the matter because you are not passing any interim order.
yes, Your Lordship.
So we do expect that don't finalize it by 17. All right.
Blush, Your Lordship.
But you may proceed with the process.
Yes, yes, of course.
The moment writ petition dismissed, you finalize.
It's already finalized, Lordship. His documents we have already verified L1.
It's okay.
We have just not awarded to them.
Blush,
That's all.
Well,
Oblige, Your Lordship.
For hearing, item
You
number 11.
take it back. Item 11.
Make this Your Lordship.
Yes.
The Lordship, I've been informed that my senior is in Gauhati for his doctor's medical checkup and is unable to come today. So Your Lordship may be gracious and kindly let this matter come up after 2 weeks.
Yes.
Lordship, supplement my learned friend, Lordship, if the matter may come up another day because the appointment of the respondents are challenged, appointment orders. So I, in the interest of justice.
So you could have, everybody knows what is the case is all about, right? It's not that suddenly we are just taking up the matter. It's been listed yesterday. Yes, Mr. MT.
Yes, ma'am. Lordship, it'll give me immense pride to appear before your Lordship and do a case.
But I was informed yesterday that Mr. Zhao had some difficulties, family issues, therefore I did not come up, but I'm not seeking adjournment.
Is in Gauhati?
Yes, your lordship.
Seriously?
Yes, your lordship. For his daughter's treatment.
Heard Mr. Empty Longjam, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. Your name, please.
Atizo can say for respondent 4 and 5.
Appearing on behalf of. Your name is there.
No, your lordship.
Appearing on behalf of Mr. Ejo.
Yes, your lordship.
Ejo.
Yes, your lordship.
Learned counsel for respondent number
4 and 5.
4 and 5. Some mistakes that Mr. Joe is in Gauhati for medical treatment of his daughter. Therefore, praise for listing of the matter after 2 weeks.
Yes, your lordship. 2 weeks.
Who else are there?
I'm for respondent 6, 17.
Your lordship, I'm for respondent 9.
For respondent 1, 2, 3, and 10.
State Council and then your record have also expressed their inability to argue the matter today. Although, next para, this court is not inclined to adjourn the matter. Considering that the learned counsel, Mr. Joe, one of the learned counsel, Mr. Joe Ejo, is engaged in the medical treatment of her daughter, there is no other option but then to accept the prayer for adjournment accordingly. List the matter after 2 weeks. If medical ground,
Lordship, there's an interim. There's an interim.
interim order passed earlier shall continue.
Deeply obliged, man.
For hearing, item numbers 12 and 13.
This will also end up with the same fate. Yes. Have you been troubled by this court?
No, Lordship. Lordship, actually, I was on the way to the subordinate to judiciary. I had a fixed matter there, but I returned back.
So, tell us. Ready? Which part of state? You said something.
No, your lordship, for the
Hospital.
For the medical
Yes.
college.
Yes, my lord, as I prayed in the morning, it could have been better if your lordship could kindly grant 2 weeks.
For what? For what?
Or 1 week.
For what?
As I've said, I have something in the notes.
For what?
To seek certain information, my lord, where I need to sit with them and then discuss accordingly.
What for?
In regard with the matter.
No, you have filed your affidavit. You have taken your
Yes,
stand already.
I have, but certain
Is there any complete?
certain doubts are there. So for
What are the doubts? Tell us.
I need to sit with them and then discuss. That's what I was.
What are the doubts? Tell us. Specify, please.
As of now, we are cannot, like.
Yes.
Before your lordship.
You go through your affidavit. Yes.
Lordship, in this read petition, these two are analogous in nature.
Yes.
Because the challenge is similar in both the read petitions, Lordship. Now my challenge is very limited to the ground that there was no advertisement and the appointment of all the private respondents in the two read petitions were in violation of the constitutional scheme for public employment. That is my limited prayer.
Yeah.
And the petitioners are unemployed, educated, unemployed youth. So their intention is that if given an opportunity by the authorities, we intend to participate in any selection process. That is our limited prayer in this read petition. Now, I have made specific categorical statements in my read petition also, as well as the private respondents, the hospital, they have also filed the affidavit. I've also filed reply to all the respective respondents. Now, the on perusal of the affidavits filed by all the respondents, there's no record to show that there was advertisement issued at any point of time. So more or less, it's an admitted position of the respondents.
Are these appointees a party before this court?
Yes, Lord.
Who is representing them?
My learned
Oh, you are there. Okay. So then no issue.
Except respondent.
So these are the what are the posts?
It's grade 4 post, Lord. The
grade 4 post.
Yes. Now the only ground taken by this is
where is the appointment order?
Lordship, might kindly come to page.
How many appointment orders?
31 appointment orders in the first read petition.
First read petition. That is
page number 53, Lordship.
53, starting from page 53.
Yes, Lordship.
Consequent upon the approval of in the interest of public service, so and so appointed to the foster multitasking, so and so. Plus all other applicable and other admissible and the rules enforcement to the performance and the provision. Commissioner Secretary to the Government of Nagaland, Chairman Executive Committee, and what is it? NIMSR?
This is a hospital law.
Nagaland.
Yes, Lord.
Nagaland what?
Nagaland Institute of Medical Science and Research.
Okay.
Lordship, my indulgence in WPC 194. Except respondent number 9, I'm not representing. Except private respondent number 9.
In WPC?
194. The first read petition.
Except respondent number 9, I'm not representing. The rest I represent.
Service is complete.
Yes, Lord. Notice was issued on 28/11/2024. I was directed to take steps by way of substitute notice, which I have taken and filed an affidavit on 16/1/2025. And this honorable court, while an order dated 23rd/1/2025, has made a specific order that respondent number 9 be deemed to be complete because it was served to substitute notice as well as normal course.
Where it is? Where is the order?
Lordship, 28/11/2024.
Okay.
28/11/2024.
So it's served. If they are not appearing, what can we do?
Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lord.
Yes.
So in the first read petition, there are altogether 31 private respondents.
Okay.
30
they appointed as MTS.
Yes, Lordship. All were appointed as MTS.
Okay.
May I read the order, Lordship? It's similar in Lordship, and the order was passed on the same day for all the 31 appointments, Lordship.
Okay.
May I read it, Lordship?
Yes.
Page number 53, Lordship. Office order number so consequent upon the approval of the competent authority, and in the interest of public service, Mr. So is hereby appointed to the post of MTS at Nagaland Institute of Medical Sciences and Research, Kohima, in level 1, ROP 2007 ROP with so and so, plus all other applicable allowances as admissible under rules enforced from time to time in effect from the date of joining. 2. The appointee shall be on probation for a period of 1 year with effect from the date of joining. On completion of the probation period, the appointee shall be considered for service confirmation subject to fulfillment of conditions as prescribed in the service rules as per the bylaws of NIMSA or as may be prescribed by the government from time to time. He or she shall be liable to be discharged from service if he or she fails to fulfill the required conditions as laid down from time to time during the period of probation, with effect on the date of joining of service as so and so. Other conditions of the service not stipulated in the notification shall be governed by the relevant rules, orders issued from time to time. The appointment order is subject to subsequent confirmation of service on the recommendation of the medical board, verification of antecedents. In case of false declaration, submission of wrong information, suppression of facts, the appointment shall be revoked and other.
Okay, I've read it. Yes.
Yes. So it's for period of 1 year, Lordship.
Yes.
Now it was issued on the 19th December 2023.
Hmm.
2 years has completed. They're still in service, Lordship.
Yes. Okay.
So this is the appointment. And I'm aggrieved by the appointment,
It's a
Lordship.
regular appointment only. Is not it?
Lordship, apparently, Lordship.
Provision and all the confirmation
Lordship.
after the
Considering those
completion of
conditions as
yes.
provided under clause 2.
You are what graduate? You are all the graduate.
Lordship, yes, Lord. And MTS is a post, grade for post, Lordship.
What is the qualification?
Minimum qualification is matriculate, Lordship.
Okay. All of you are the petitioners are graduate?
Yes, Lordship, I'm more than qualified to be.
How many petitioners?
Lordship, 14 petitioners, Lordship.
In first writ petition, now altogether?
Yes, Lordship.
Altogether? In both the writ petition?
In the first writ petition, it's 14 writ petitioners, and the second is 3 writ petitioners, Lordship.
So 14?
Altogether, it will be 17.
17?
Yes, Lordship. 17 writ petitions.
Same issue, same order?
Yes, Lordship.
In first writ petition?
Except the subsequent writ petition, Lordship, the appointment date is different, Lordship.
In
the second writ petition.
So after this this appointment in the first writ petition,
Lordship,
is of the 19th December
2023. And in this second writ petition, it's 31st August 2024.
Okay.
So
how many are there?
After 8 months, Lordship.
No, how many are there in this?
3 writ petitioners and altogether 24.
Just tell us first writ petition.
The first writ petition, Lordship.
Just wait. WPC
194.
194
of 2024. 14 writ petitioners and 31 appointments.
31 appointees.
Yes, Lord. 31 appointees, Lord.
That is 19? That of
December 2023.
2023. Okay. Then
the second writ petition, WPC number 312 of 2024. 3 writ petitioners and 23 appointees.
23.
Yes, Lord.
Appoint all MTS.
MTS, Lord.
Date of appointment
31st August 2024. Lordship, sorry for your indulgence, Lordship. With regard to the earlier submission, with regard to the qualification, Lordship, grade 4, it's class 8 and above, Lordship. The minimum qualification, it should be class 8 and above.
Class 8.
Yes, Lordship.
These appointees are what is their education qualification?
Lordship, I have the access to their records as to the qualification of the private respondents, Lordship. But the fact remains that there was no advertisement issue, Lordship. There was no selection process. Now the state respondents, one of the contention is that appointments were made in the exigency of service. That is also one of the contentions, Lordship. I file a specific categorical statement rebutting the statements contentions raised by the state respondents, Lordship, with my affidavit in reply.
Yes, what is the state respondents? Who is the state respondent? Your affidavit says
says appointment is done on the exigencies basis and on the basis of the bylaws.
That is by
Lordship, state respondent is respondent 1, 2, and 3, my.
yes. Where do you have said so?
Lordship, the exigencies, I've mentioned it in the para 4.
And further, this appointment procedure made on exchange, and hence it is appointment cannot be said to have been done by this constitution as confirmed. Yes. Then
And bylaws, I've mentioned it at the para 10, page 4. My.
there are 9 also.
Lordship.
Yes.
May I submit, madam?
Yes.
Lordship, since the lead case is WPC 194, I'll be submitting on this matter. Lordship, the Nagaland Institute of Medical Science and Research Society, Your Lordship. This is a society registered under the Society Registration of Societies Act, and it came into force on the 1/3/2022, Your Lordship. Now, Your Lordship, the medical college, after it started functioning on the ground of exigencies, the grade 4 appointments was done, Your Lordship. And these are the grade 4 appointments, Your Lordship. Now, Your Lordship, the bylaws empowers the governing councils and the executive councils, Your Lordship, to make appointment. And basing on the bylaws, such appointment has been made on exigency basis, Your Lordship. I have annexed, of course, the relevant copy of the bylaws, that is bylaws 2022 at page 7, where section 22 prescribes that the executive councils and the governing councils has the authority, where it says that appointment of teaching faculties and other employees of the institute. Wherein, Your Lordship, at section 22B, I would like to refer this, my Lord.
Where it is?
Page 7. Page 7, my Lord.
Yes.
Section 22B. I'll first refer this, my Lord. It says, the governing council shall have the discretion to approve appointment of employees either on permanent, temporary, or contractual as required. Now, this is important, as required for the efficient and economical management of the institute.
22?
B, my Lord.
Governing council.
Yes.
Have the discretion.
Discretion.
To approve
appointment of employees either on permanent, temporary, or contractual as required for the efficient and economical management of the institute. So they have the authority, to make the appointment, to give their approval for the appointment and make the appointment either on permanent, temporary, or contractual. So the bylaw speaks about the empowerment, Lordship. Then, Your Lordship, coming to the schedule, of the bylaws, Your Lordship, the schedule starts from page 10 of my affidavit. Page 10. This is the delegations of power, Your Lordship, schedule 1. On the top, delegations of power. Now, if you come to this schedule, Your Lordship, at page 12, you'll find serial 23, Your Lordship. Serial 23 at page 12, my Lord. Serial 23. Name of the power, Your Lordship, on the second column. All engagement / appointment order, then appointment on regular basis, Your Lordship, /3.
all engagement appointment, other than the appointment regular basis.
Yes. Full power, that is the director, the third column, Your Lordship, on the heading, director of the institute. So the power is on the director of the institute, has the full power to appoint Group C and Group D, subject to approval of the Executive Council, Your Lordship.
Has it been done?
Lordship, if you peruse the appointment order, Lordship, allow me to take my Lordship to
appointment is by the chairman.
No, appointment is by the director.
On top, you just see.
Your Lordship, signed by the director, come dean.
On top.
No, on top is, Your Lordship, the mention of the institute. Nagaland.
Just above that, above the director.
No,
Just
Your
above
Lordship.
the director.
Your Lordship, may kindly come to page. The appointment starts, Your Lordship.
Page 53.
Yes. Director, signed by director.
See, on top, this is a memo.
Yes.
On top, you write, see YKZ.
Yes.
Chairman and Executive Committee.
Yes. So he's chairman of the Executive Committee, Your Lordship. So it is as per the bylaws, Your Lordship. And it also starts with, Your Lordship, if I may be allowed to read this. It also starts with consequent upon the approval of the competent authority, Your Lordship. And it has been signed by the director, and the name of the chairman of the Executive Council is mentioned.
It's not name of the chairman.
Your Lordship, if you see,
appointment is by the commissioner and secretary to the
Yes.
government and
yes,
and chairman executive committee,
yes,
and the memo is issued by the director.
yes. Your Lordship, the commissioner and secretary, if you see as per the bylaws, Your Lordship, if I may be allowed to place this. No, it's executive council, executive council. No, executive council, executive committee, yes. Section 9. Chairman, the Commissioner and Secretary is the chairman to the Executive Council. Yes.
Who is the appointing authority?
Governing Council and the appointing authority is the Director, my lord. But on the approval of the Executive Council. So the Director has made the appointment as per the appointment order on the approval of the competent authority. It's clearly mentioned in the order, Your Lordship.
So is it not under the state? Is it not under the state?
It is a society, Your Lordship. Governed by a respective governing council and the executive council, Your Lordship.
But basic the scheme, constitutional scheme has to be followed. You cannot have the bylaws on your whims. You will just appoint it. Exigencies we understand.
Correct, Lordship.
You can appoint them for a time being.
Correct.
But not permanent.
Lordship, then the question arises, my lord. The question arises that the action that has been taken by the authorities as per the bylaws, Your Lordship, if the petitioner is aggrieved, that they should have challenged these bylaws. It was before them in my affidavit, Your Lordship. They have not challenged the bylaws.
All engagement other than the appointment on regular basis. It's
Yes.
a regular basis only.
Lordship is they are on probation.
What do you mean by that?
They are on probation, Your Lordship. Your Lordship can only see the appointment.
See, probation doesn't mean that it's a temporary, the regular appointment.
No, Your Lordship, it was
Probation, because it's a regular appointment.
Lordship, can we read, allow me to read paragraph 2 of the appointment order? This will clear, Your Lordship, this will clear the...
Read it.
The appointment shall be on probation for a period of 1 year with effect from the date of joining. On completion, Your Lordship, on completion of the probation period, the appointee shall be considered for service confirmation.
This is the...
Regularization, my lord.
This is not regularization. This is not the temporary appointment. This is a regular appointment. You find out.
Lordship.
In all the regular appointments is always for probation period, subject to confirmation. All right.
Lordship.
Regular appointment doesn't mean that you will be confirmed from today. It's not that.
Lordship.
So it goes against your own bylaw, even if we agree that you have a right to appoint all engagement, appointment other than the appointment on regular basis.
Then, Your Lordship, how about the
government shall have the discretion to approve
Yes.
appointment of employees either on permanent, temporary, so and so. Okay. But then it has to be followed the minimum constitutional scheme. What's there? Yes.
But my limited, Your Lordship,
See,
my limited
the
comprehension.
Executive Council been empowered to, approve
Yes.
any appointment.
Yes.
Doesn't mean that you will not follow the constitutional scheme of public employment. And this appointment is clearly a regular appointment, although it says for a probation period of 1 year, which is clearly indicates the regular appointment. It's not a temporary. So far as the delegation power of the director is concerned, right? It is only for the appointments other than the regular appointment. Assuming that you have a power to appoint and approve.
Lordship.
We're not saying that. You may have.
Yes.
But it has to, you have to follow the minimum semblance of
Yes.
the constitutional scheme.
Correct. Lordship.
You advertise it, you follow the law, and then till the poster fill up.
Yes.
For the regular, by following the constitutional scheme.
Yes.
Let them continue.
Lordship, that part.
Because the institute, I think, needs to be run. It's a medical college.
Yes.
It has to be run.
Lordship, as far as that part is concerned, I leave it to the discretion of this honorable court. Lordship.
You will direct you to fill up the post through open advertisement.
Yes.
Within a period of 4 months. till the regular appointments are made.
Your Lordship, I'm not representing
The respondents, primary respondents who have been appointed and who is working will
Let me
continue.
continue till such time.
And all, including the primary respondents, writ petitioners, everybody will be allowed to participate.
Lordship, since I'm not
Yes,
representing the institute, yeah. I
No,
leave it.
no, this is your action. Your action is under question. They are just a beneficiary.
No, in fact, the hospitals, the
Huh.
authorities, you know, they have the authority.
Huh.
My lord.
Yes.
My lord,
Where is the affidavit? Affidavit on behalf of?
respondent number 4, my lord.
Respondent number 4.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. This is yes.
My lord, this NIMSA is a medical college, my lord. And this is the first medical college in Nagaland.
Yes.
And my lord, this medical college was first academic session was started in 2023. And because of which manpower was required. And because of that, the respondent number 4 wrote a letter to the council, executive council,
Yes.
as per the requirement, and whereby the executive council has approved, and the respondent number 4 has made an appointment accordingly. It's because of the academic session which was started and manpower was required. And here the appointment was made as per the bylaws, my lord. And here the petitioner is stating that we have not followed the rules or the procedure. However, as per the bylaws, we have followed, and accordingly we have made the appointment of the private respondents, my lord. And here, if the private respondents are aggrieved of the appointment of the respondent, private respondent, the petitioner has to challenge the bylaws. Why? Because discretion has been given to the executive council to make appointment to the power has been given to the executive council, and they have made accordingly. Yes, my lord.
We are not saying that you don't have a power. You have a power.
Yes, we have power.
This power is not unbridled. All right.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, while having a power, you have to follow the constitutional scheme of public employment. Is it a public employment?
Yes.
So, we're not saying that you don't have authority. You cannot act you have no authority under the bylaws. You have.
Yes.
We have seen it, clause 22. Bylaw, what is called? Clause 22.
Yes.
Then the delegation power schedule 1.
Yes, ma'am.
You have power, authority. We are not questioning it. But while applying that power, while invoking that power, you have to follow the rule.
Yes.
I mean the norms.
And however, my lord, their appointment
So we'll
was
direct you to advertise, fill up by following the constitutional scheme of public employment, right? Till it's regularly filled up, the exercise is completed. Let these respondents be continue. We'll say 6 months.
6 months.
Yes. Any law, where is the judgment which you are relying?
Lordship, there are two judgments I'm relying upon. Lordship, the constitutional bench of the Honorable Apex Court, 1981 1 SSC 722, Lordship.
Let us
for the definition of state, Lordship. Definition of state. And the second is Umadevi's case, as far as the appointments are concerned, Lordship. These are the two judgments I'm relying on. Lordship.
Just give the citation and the thing, para, which you are.
Paragraph numbers, Lordship.
You just note it down.
Paragraph 9, 10, 11. 9 to 16, Lordship. Paragraph 9 to 16.
Which one? 81.
1981, yes.
We're not questioning it. Which
Yes,
question?
Yes, Lordship. Since the state has already raised the question that
saying what
the appointment was made and in terms of the bylaw. So my contention, my respectful submission before this on court logic, the institute falls within the definition of state, and if it falls under the definition of state, Article 12, appointment has to be. It has to be in terms of Article 14 and
they are
16.
not saying that it doesn't fall under the.
Yes.
What they are saying that the institute has their own bylaw.
Lord.
We have a,
Yes.
unless the bylaw you are questioning the if you are agreed, you have to challenge the bylaw. They are not saying that the institute is not under the state.
Yes, Lord.
It's under the state.
Yes, my lord.
Correct. It falls under the state. Definition of
If
state.
they are admitting that it is under the state, then they have to follow Article 14 and 16.
What they are saying is that they have their own bylaw.
Lordship.
As per the bylaw, the appointments have been made. That's what I'm saying.
So, Lordship, if we are to go by the bylaw, Lordship, Section 22, it does not give any power to violate or by bust Article 14 and 16. It is only the appointing authorities who can appoint what category of post, Lordship. But it does not empower them to violate Article 14 and 16, Lordship. And there's no provision. There's no provision to giving the power to violate Article 14 and 16, Lordship.
Lordship, only one contention, Your Lordship. As far as the autonomous bodies, such as this particular college is concerned, it is similar to that of other autonomous bodies, such as Nagaland Village and Khatis Industries. All these are actually an autonomous bodies governed and ruled by bylaws.
Nobody is questioning
Yes.
it.
So,
is it within the state?
So, yeah, Lordships, therefore, will that be completely falls under Article 12 of the Constitution of India?
It may be the other authorities.
Lordship, if I may be allowed to rely on the...
Because they have got, Your Lordship, their own authorities to govern the particular autonomous body on their own.
Nobody is questioning that. You have nobody is saying that you cannot follow your own bylaw. You may have.
Yes.
But whether it falls under the definition of state, under Article...
That is what, Your Lordship. That is a questionable things before this Honorable Court, Lordship. Because it is an autonomous body by itself, which governs the institute on their own terms by bringing out bylaws, my lord.
Lordship, in that case, Lordship knows about BCCS case, Lordship. Now, the definition given by the Apex Court, Lordship, any instrumentality, entity, which is financially, functionally, and administratively.
Are you saying that it doesn't fall under the state? The institute?
As far as...
If you say so, you argue, I'll hear you and will consider.
That's exactly.
Your Lordship, as far as my contention is concerned, Your Lordship, since this autonomous body, they govern and run and manage themselves as per the bylaws, Your Lordship.
Nobody is questioning.
Yes.
That is
so those that fall completely within the purview of Article 12 of the Constitution of India, Your Lordship.
What do you mean complete?
Yes.
What do you complete or incomplete?
Yes.
Either it falls and it doesn't.
That is why, Your Lordship. That is what I was wanting to submit. Whether it falls within
it falls. What is the definition of state?
Lordship, that is why I was trying to complete, Your Lordship. Whether it falls within the purview of Article 12 of the Constitution of India, that I leave it to the discretion of this court.
No, it's not my discretion.
Yes,
if you are raising that whether it falls under, you will have to be sure whether it falls under the state, meaning of the state or not, or other authorities. If not, state at least falls under other authorities, which is amenable to this decision and which will obviously under the Constitution. You have to follow the Constitution, provisions of the Constitution.
Your Lordship, I might sound like as if I'm arguing with this court, but Your Lordship, that is not the intention. That is not the intention. I'm just trying to clarify.
No, I understand. If you are submitting that, you have to be clear.
Yes.
Nobody is stopping you from arguing or submitting.
Yes.
That whether it falls under the state, definition of state or not, nobody is stopping it. We are ready to hear you.
Yes.
And we'll decide.
One contention then that, Your Lordship, I think this will make the things clear. Whether the employees of these particular institutes holds a pensionable post or not, Your Lordship. If they holds a pensionable post, yes, then it falls under Article 12. It falls under the definition of a state, Your Lordship. But if they doesn't hold a pensionable post, then Your Lordship.
Mr. Rangami,
Yes.
let us not dive into deep ocean unnecessary.
I think, Your Lordship, if that is brought before this honorable court, I think it will be able to throw light as to whether it falls within the purview of Article 12 or not, Your Lordship.
What is your function? What is your function?
As far as the state is concerned in this institute, Your Lordship, we are just the governing body, governing and the executive council.
So
That's it. The function that they manage themselves.
function is management is something.
Yes, it is the institute.
Whether there is any control over the institute.
Control is approval of the government. As far as the appointment is concerned, has to be taken. That is
what is the control of the government?
Lordship, as far as the yes,
and how they are functioning.
As far as the appointment is concerned, Your Lordship, it is mentioned in the Bylaw.
How do you finance and manage?
Finance also
from where?
Managed by the executive council.
From where? What is the source of your income? I mean the finance.
It is mentioned, Your Lordship. I can show it to my Lord.
Grants in aid.
Your Lordship may kindly come to page 14. Finance Committee. And this is the reason why I wanted to submit this, my Lord. Finance Committee. Your Lordship will find that chart on page 14.
No. How you are, from where, the source of your fund?
Yes, see, Your Lordship, see. On the Finance Committee, you'll find that, Your Lordship, the Commissioner and Secretary of the Government of Nagaland Medical Department is the chairman. The Director of the Medical Education is a member. FAO's and NMM, sir, is the member secretary, Your Lordship. So the institute, finance also is, the institute is a part of it, Your Lordship. Your Lordship has also kindly referred section 16, other standing committees. Your Lordship will find that at page 15.
Funds of the society. Funds of the number 23. Grants by the or through the government of India or any other state government. Received by society by grants, gifts, donations, so and so, so and so. There is a clear pervasive control by the government on the society.
Lordship?
There is a pervasive control over the government, by the government over the society. So it will fall under the state, including grants in aid, not only by state,
Your Lordship,
from Union of India.
If you see the other committees such as the academic committee, the estate committee, the procurement committee.
Nobody is questioning.
These things are managed.
Are you saying, we're not saying, and nobody is saying that. Nobody is disputing. It's a society.
Yes.
You have it's a society, autonomous organization, but under the pervasive control of the state. State means include the Union of India, central government and the state government.
Yes.
And it has the more so it has the very, very important public role. It's not a profit-making society. It's a medical college.
Yes. I leave it to my Lord.
It's not only state of Nagaland. All over the country.
Correct.
What you have to see is pervasive control of the state or the function of the society? What are the function? Is it a public function? As is rightly pointed out, even the BCCI is one. They are trying to promote the sports of the cricket, right? But what is the main? They are, I mean, I would not say more than this. It's more of a profit-making society.
Correct.
But then, in the name of promoting the sports,
Right.
it has been regarded as a state.
But
Not even a state, but then at least the other authorities within Article 12, right?
Yes, Lordship.
BCCI.
Yes, not with the intention of having a debate, Your Lordship, but educational institutes such as IGNOU, which provides education and which are providing education. Now the question is whether that IGNOU
that may also fall.
Yes, falls under Article 12.
Yes, yes.
Likewise, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, the case I'm ready.
This will also.
It's an engineering college, Lordship, and it was defined as a state.
Agree also falls, I believe.
Then I my Lord.
Funded and controlled by the state, Lordship.
Private respondents. You give your judgment, whatever.
Lordship, I already finished, Lord.
You just
Be some
make a
authorities.
photocopy of it. Yes.
My submission will be a repetition.
Paragraph also
The-
you have seen. Right. Paragraphs also you have.
My submission will be just a repetition. The submission given by the state. So I raise with.
Bachera, it's not your fault. Unless it is shown that you.
Yesterday by
Yes.
appointing of the.
Yes, yes.
The petitioner ought to have challenged the bylaws. Without challenging the bylaws, my appointment may not be infringed. In the interest of justice.
That's all. Okay. Heard Mr. Moajamil, learned counsel for the petitioners. And also heard Mr. Who is 1, 2, 3?
I'm the respondent.
Nangami, London State Council. What is your designation?
Lordship,
What is your designation?
I'm senior government.
Senior government advocate for respondent number 1, 2, 3, comma, Mr. For respondent number, standing counsel.
No.
Respondent number 4. That is NIMS. What is NIMSR? Respondent number 4, NIMSR. NIMS. MSR. Right?
Yes.
As well as Mr. Hessinglo. Limb. Him.
For respondent number 5 to 8.
5 to 8. In
And-
WPC.
10 to 35 in WPC 194
And
and 10 to 34 and in WPC 212 5 to 27.
non appears for respondent number 9.
Lordship,
In
the first big petition.
WPC
194.
194. Rest in
194, only 9 does not appear.
for respondent in WPC, so in 194, despite service of notice. We'll pass the order.
Lordship.
Let us see how best we can balance. But sure that you have to follow the constitutional scheme.
I'm senior government.
Enggak loh sedikit.